This video is brought to you by Masters and Doctoral Degrees Tips and Tricks. Please subscribe now. Welcome back to our channel, Masters and Doctoral Degrees Tips and Tricks. For those who haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the button now. Our channel is an in-depth exploration of the fascinating world of academia, and today we're delving into the process of crafting your first qualitative paper. Brace yourself. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. It's a voyage of discovery and enlightenment, presenting challenges but also immense rewards. Join us as we navigate this journey together, simplifying the process into 21 practical steps. Our first step is about choosing a topic. It should not only captivate your interest, but also align with your field of expertise and complement your scholarly ambitions. The subsequent step involves defining your research question. This query or issue forms the core of your study and fuels your academic exploration. Now, it's time to conduct a literature review. This step immerses you in the existing knowledge on your topic, allowing you to understand previous research findings, theoretical frameworks, and methodologies. Then, select your qualitative approach. Whether it's ethnography, grounded theory, or thematic analysis, choose the approach that best suits your research question and objectives. Output. The fifth step involves designing your study, outlining your data collection methods, sampling strategy, and data analysis techniques. Identifying participants comes next. Your sample population should be carefully chosen, taking into account factors such as demographics and accessibility. Following this, if required, you'll need to obtain ethical approval from the relevant institutional review boards or ethics committees. With all preparations complete, it's time to collect data. This could involve interviews, focus groups, observations, or document analysis, depending on your research design. Once you have your data, it's crucial to manage it systematically. Techniques such as transcription, coding, and data management software can be invaluable here. The 10th step is analyzing your data. This involves using appropriate analytical techniques, such as thematic analysis, content analysis, or constant comparison. Now, identify themes within your data. Look for recurring patterns or categories that address your research question and objectives. From these themes, generate your findings. Interpret your data to produce meaningful insights that contribute to the existing knowledge on your topic. Then provide context. Situate your findings within the broader context of relevant literature, theories, and empirical evidence. Next, it's time to write your introduction. This should introduce your topic, rationale, research question, and objectives. In your methodology section, provide a detailed description of your research design, data collection methods, and data analysis procedures. Present your findings in a clear and organized manner, supporting your arguments with textual evidence, quotes, and examples. Discuss your findings, addressing their significance, limitations, and potential contributions to theory, practice, or policy. Reflect on your process, discussing any challenges, ethical considerations, or methodological insights gained during the study. In your conclusion, summarize the main findings of your study, restate your research question, and discuss the broader implications of your research. Don't forget to cite your sources. Ensure you follow the appropriate citation style guidelines, whether that's APA, MLA, or Chicago. Lastly, revise and proofread. Review your paper carefully for clarity, coherence, and accuracy, and make revisions as needed before submitting it for publication or evaluation. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing your first qualitative paper. It's a rigorous process, but with careful planning and attention to detail, it's a journey you are fully equipped to undertake. So, what are you waiting for? Your research journey awaits.